Love is in the air. And speaking of love, ang masayang pagmamahalan ay nauuwi kung saan pa ba, kundi sa kasalan. Kaya naman kung isa kayo sa mga nagpaplanong magpakasal at naghahanap ng mapapasulan this Valentine's Day, tutok na sa ating episode ngayong araw dahil makakasama natin si Miss Mathel Ong, ang editor-in-chief ng Kasal.com at si Mr. Mikey Chan, ang kanilang fashion designer and director for the bridal show. Magandang araw, Mama Tel and Sir Mikey. Maraming salamat dahil pinaunda ko niyo po ang aming imbitasyon dahil alam naman natin na February is all about love. Nabanggit ko kanina, kapag sinabing love, mauuwi sa kasalan. Siyempre, isa naman sa mga nangungunang mga yung Kasal.com. Ang tanong ko po kay Mama Tel, ano ba ang Kasal.com?
Kasal.com is an online wedding community portal which we developed all the way back in 2001. So, nung mga panahong wala pang Facebook, no? And there's basically the web, no, for us to be able to search for information. We started it out thinking na yung mga current wedding magazines at that time, ang laman are puro mga Manila-based na suppliers. And then when we talk about bridal fairs naman, palaging nangyayari lang siya sa Manila. So naturally, ang laman niya, puro mga Manila-based suppliers. But then, how about yung the rest of the 7,107 islands natin, no? Wherein yung mga Pinoys natin, not just here, but also the ones from abroad, syempre when they get married back sa hometown nila, they need a resource for them to be able to find suppliers. So, doon ipinanganak ang Kasal.com to provide that kind of information for them.
Yeah, so basically, binuo ang Kasal.com, 2001 pa ito. So, ilang taon na tayo. So, kung tumagal tayo ng ganong katagal na panahon, definitely we're doing something right, ma'am, dito sa ating pagtatayo ng Kasal.com. And ano pa ba yung iba natin, kumbaga, through the years, nabanggit nyo po kanina, is para makatulong tayo doon sa mga gustong magpakasal sa kanilang hometown. Para naman po sa mga suppliers, ano po yung naging, kumbaga, tulong natin sa kanila nung itinayo natin ang Kasal.com?
So, aside from being able to promote, no, and share about, let's say, various suppliers online, in 2003, we started on a new project. It's called Kasalan, Filipino, or ngayon, the term now is just simply Kasalan. And we realized at that time na since, again, nung panahon na yun, wala pang social media and even mobile communication is a bit, you know, still a challenge. So what we did is we embarked on a journey wherein we went to strategic places in the Philippines and we arranged to meet the suppliers, no, on certain targeted dates. So doon ipinanganak yung program namin ng Kasalan wherein we go from Luzon to Mindanao. We gather all the promising and established suppliers and venues in the area para makita natin how they are really, no, personally. And then also for the couples naman na pwedeng sumama sa amin in our journey, and at the same time, yung mga couples natin na online, no, pwede namin i-share yung information na yes, these are the suppliers, okay yung business nila, okay yung trabaho nila, you may be able to trust them with your special occasion.
So nabanggit mo rin, ma'am, na nag-start tayo, wala pang social media. So, kung ikukumpara natin yung kasalan before yung pagsabog or pagputok ng social media, today, ano po yung difference ngayon? Kasi syempre, pwede ka nang mag-promote through social media, pero sa inyo, syempre, very traditional. You still go to different areas para i-promote yung ating mga suppliers.
Okay, I think wala namang harm, no, when it comes to looking for information sa social media. What we provide through Kasal.com portal and Kasalan program is you get to have the best of both worlds. Kasi for those who won't be able to join us in our actual on-ground events, pwede silang pumunta sa Kasal.com either via the portal or via the social media channel to inquire with us. And it's actually happening, no? For a very long time now, we get couples from all over asking for various supplier referrals through our portal and our social media channels. Now, yung sa kasalan, we continue with that tradition because we believe that, with wedding being the most important occasion, no? Especially in a woman's life or in a Pinoy's life, very important na ma-meet ninyo yung mga suppliers na hindi lang magmamatch sa budget nyo, but pati na rin sa pinapangarap mong okasyon. And mahirap kasi din for us to be able to say to you na ito maganda, ito mura, when in fact, those two natures themselves, very subjective siya for anybody. So better na nandun ka, ma-meet mo sila, makita mo kung okay sila, then you make the decision when you go there.
Kaya pag pumunta kayo siguro dun sa kasalan, yung sinasabi nila options, doon mo makikita.
Yes.
And Sir Mikey, gaano ka nakatagal nagpa-participate dito sa kasalan at paano ito nakatulong? Siyempre, you're one of the fashion designers at kinilang fashion designer dito sa province of Pampanga. Itong Sir Mikey.
I started, I think, in 2018. Super young pa nung brand ko na Mikey Chan. So, ang laki ng tulong ng Kasal.com actually. Every year na hindi na ako tumigil sumali. Kasi parang for me, it generates client kasi generic hindi mo sila nakausap on social media. So, doon sila lumalapit. So, parang yung discovery nila mas 100% authentic and organic coming from Kasal.com. Kasi they do also a pre-registration. So, alam mo na may darating na mga couples talaga na mag-i-inquire sa'yo.
And lumawak ba yung network mo? Kasi bukod doon sa mga clients, yung mga potential clients natin, syempre yung mga kasamahan natin sa events planning. Lumawak ba yung network natin? Nagbukas ba yung mga iba't ibang pintuan, bintana, para kumbaga makilala pa si Mikey Chan?
Oh yes. It gave us also the opportunity to partner with suppliers like sa coordination, sa venue, makeup artists. Actually, kompleto na siya. One-stop shop nga, sabi mo nga kanina. So, pagdating mo doon, nakaka-build din kami ng camaraderie towards host, di ba? Towards suppliers. So, para pagdating sa event, madali na lang din yung communications namin.
So, syempre, dumaan din yung pandemic. Medyo lulungkotan natin ng konti. Dumaan tayo sa pandemic and nahinto yung mga events.
Parang hindi
yung
naman
kasal,
dito.
yung kasal kasi walang lumalabas ng pandemic. Nung bang nagbalik yung kasalan, nakatulong din yon to bounce back, kumbaga, Sir Mike?
Yes, sobra. Kasi parang everybody's parang gigil na magpakasal, lumabas, mag-party,
mag-celebrate.
So, yung kasal at cotillion bridal fair, parang naging bounce back siya sa aming suppliers. Lalo na nahirapan kami during pandemic. Especially kami talaga yung parang pinaka-natamaan. Kasi yung work namin is people to people. So, yun, pasalamat kami sa Kasal.com kasi parang nung nag-okay na, agad din sila nag-offer na, sige, let's continue the bridal fair. Yun.
How do you feel right now, Mama Tel, na we're doing something right kasi nakakatulong tayo, hindi lang sa mga kliyente, pati doon sa mga suppliers. So parang 2001, ang tagal na nun, ma'am. Parang hindi ko na maalala nung ginagawa ko ng 2001, pero kayo nandiyan na kayo.
Gumagapang ka ba?
So ngayon, ma'am, how does it feel na you're helping both sides of the world?
When we developed the Kasalan program, it really is an advocacy for us. We have this long-term vision to be able to put our events and wedding industry on the global map. No, the pandemic happened, and of course, the first to be shut down are events and weddings. And ito, up to this day, alam yan ng mga various suppliers and tourism stakeholders na we've been constantly talking with, na we've always been fighting for everyone to recognize wedding as a very important aspect of our tourism. No? Kasi yan yung kaya may pandemic, kahit pa hindi maganda ang natural resources ng bayan, pag doon ikakasal, wala kang choice, pupunta ka as a guest or parang as part of the entourage. So, ang long-term vision namin sa Kasal.com is to really help, number one, discover suppliers, very promising suppliers like Mikey. to be able to provide a platform for established ones to continue to grow their business. So, palagi kaming natutuwa when we hear, like, for example, a venue in Tagaytay na started out with a small boutique venue, tapos ngayon may hotel na, may grand ballroom
At palaging
na.
fully booked.
Yung parang gano'n. Di ba nakakatuwa yung mga ganong stories? Or for example, someone making it big and being able to spread their brand across the Philippines or better yet outside, no? So ito yung mga ito yung mga inaadhika namin sa kasal.com na makatulong talaga to be able to make the people na tangkilikin yung sariling atin. Halimbawa, kung taga Central Luzon ka, why not get married in Central Luzon? Pwede naman na ito muna yung tingnan mo before you look at somewhere else. More importantly, the event professionals. You don't have to import from other places because we have, really amazing talent and venues within your region. So, region per region, yun yung mantra namin. And people may say, you're endorsing something na gastos lang, ang mahal na magpakasal ngayon. Pero in our mindset kasi, the money goes back to the local economy. It helps fund, and support local professionals, local products, local venues. Yan yung tipong makakatulong talaga sa atin to also promote our country as well.
Ayan naman, mamaya pag-uusapan natin yung kasalan this year, no, ma'am? Ano yung, kumbaga, yearly ba? May theme ba tayo dito? Bago tayo pupunta sa detalye mamaya, pagbalik natin sa commercial. Pero ngayon, meron ba tayong theme for this year na talagang pwede nilang abangan dito sa kasalan?
Well, ang theme namin this year is pag-ibig, Feb-ibig, no? Kasi that's why our kasalan here in Central Luzon is set on February 15 to 16. Kasi we really wanted to encourage love sa gitna ng maraming breakup at hiwalayan, ano? Dapat talaga tama yung statement mo. Ang pagmamahal dapat mauwi sa kasalan, hindi sa hiwalayan.
Yes. Ayan, nakita natin. Huwag muna kayong umalis. Mamaya pag-uusapan naman natin yung pagmamahalan, kasalan, at yung mga e-expect natin na pwedeng makita dito sa Kasalan 2025. Huwag po kayong alis. Magbabalik po ang Spotlight. Ayan mga kabalay, nagbabalik po ang Spotlight. Kasama pa rin natin si Miss Mathel at Sir Mikey. At pag-uusapan na natin ngayon yung kanina pa natin pinakukuluan ko baga sa pagluluto. Ito yung kasalan. Sabi po natin na ito yung biggest kumbaga gathering ng mga suppliers dito sa, hindi na sa Central Luzon, sa buong Pilipinas. Ano? Ilan po ba ina-expect nating mag-a-attend sa kasalan dito sa Central Luzon?
When we talk about siguro mga suppliers who are supporting kasalan, we're looking at almost 100 already. But then, natutuwa kami kasi yung mga ibang suppliers from other places na malapit, actually, they make it a point to also visit.
Madayo talaga.
Oo, para lang din makita nila yung mga trends and then makita rin nila yung mga initiatives ng mga suppliers nila for inspirations. Now, for couples, kami ang target namin, at least 1,000 na couple na pumunta. But then, us being in a commercial area, we'll be right at the activity center of Ayala Marquee Mall on Feb 15 to 16. So, minsan ang estimated naming foot traffic is mga between 5 to 10,000 kasi.
Ano yun naman yung in-expect natin? For example, ang isang bride, alam ko ba may pre-registration ito?
Yes.
Ano? Tapos pwede sila mag-visit sa inyong website to see kung saan sila pwede mag-register. Pero if makapunta na ako doon, ano ba yung i-expect ko as a bride or yung couple na pwedeng makakita sa mga suppliers sa inyo sa kasalan?
Okay. Everyone is invited to actually come to Kasalan at Cotillion 2025. So kung ikaw ay wala ka pang date in mind or you're just in a relationship, or looking at possibilities, you can take a look at Kasalan program next weekend at Ayala Malls Marquee and get inspirations, So, mga ideas na pwede mo ring ma-apply, hindi lang naman siya for kasal for all types of occasions, pwede natin siyang
Debut,
ma-apply.
like for example.
Correct. Even the suppliers themselves.
Mm-mm.
They're wedding suppliers, but actually they are suppliers for all types of
Yeah.
occasions. Now, kung ikakasal ka naman, all the more na maganda because in our pre-event registration, pag nag-register po kayo bago ang event, automatic may 1 raffle coupon ka na.
Okay. Mm-mm.
And we have almost 300,000 worth of mga various weddings and events prices na open sa lahat.
Mm-mm.
Kaya may bilhin ka or wala, no fee required, no? You just have to go there. Pwedeng you can be one of the lucky winners of our raffle draw. Meron din kaming pakulo ngayon na for the first 100 guests na nag-register at darating on Feb 15, meron kaming special token or freebie para sa kanila.
Akala ko libreng asawa.
Sana, oo.
Pwede lang, sir.
Pwede rin naman, no?
Malay yun, makita nyo dun yung punta kayo dun single pag uwi nyo.
Tama.
Jowa,
The
diba?
other also is pwede kayong arrange ng surprise proposal, no? Just let us know and we can provide that venue or platform for them. And then this is basically a gathering of so many venues. And this is the biggest gathering of wedding and event planners, no, in the area. So you really have a lot of choices from Bulacan to Pampanga to Bataan na makikita mo doon. And maganda na kahit pa sabihin mo na you're not considering to tie the knot or to have an occasion here, some of these suppliers are pretty transportable naman anywhere else. So doon pa lang po, Instagrammable yung mga setups nila. We also have free food tastings, no, from our partner caterers. And then, of course, the much-awaited bridal fashion show, courtesy of our partner designers.
Sir, nabanggit ni ma'am kanina na may mga dumadayo at kumbaga kung may gusto ikasal dito sa Pampanga, sa Bataan, sa Clark. Pero meron na ba kayo na-experience na dumayo dito at nag-event outside Central Luzon at talagang bumiyahe pa kayo para talagang mga doon sa kasal nila?
Actually, sir, yes. Nagugulat na lang kami minsan. Yung inquiry namin, syempre, we're in Pampanga, so we're expecting that the weddings are here in Central Luzon. Lalo na dito sa Pampanga, kasi talaga tayo parang wedding capital na rin eh. So, minsan yung inquiry namin on the spot, Tagaytay. I actually book a Davao wedding. So, minsan nagugulat, ay, bakit napupunta na akong Davao? Eh, nasa Pampanga lang kami. So, yun ang kinaganda with the Kasal.com kasi yung range nung advertisements nila, yung audience nila, it's all over the Philippines.
Imagine, pumunta ka lang sa kasalan, the next thing yun, yung nasa Davao ka na, nakikipagkasal ka doon, di ba? So ngayon, nabanggit din po ni ma'am ang bridal fashion show natin. Ito ba ay mga Kapampangan designers? Nag-invite ba tayo outside Pampanga? Ano yung na-expect?
Actually, it's a mix of Kapampangans. Basta sa buong Central Luzon. So, we have 3 designers. We have Rich Sabinian.
Oh, Sir Rich.
We have a new designer which is Nina Michaels from Tarlac and me. So, usually we do parang a mixture of collaborations with beauty queens and influencers and vloggers. So, abangan nyo kung sino yung mga
maglalakad dun sa fashion show. Mukhang bigatin yung fashion show.
Plus, magpaparaffle
yes. It's a yearly tradition for me since sobrang love ko ang Kasal.com. So, yearly, I give out yung grand prize, grand raffle prize namin, which is a bridal gown, custom-made, which costs 75,000. So, abangan ng mga brides yan. So, yan, actually, pumupunta mga tao doon. Panghatak namin yun na pupunta ako kasi ako'y mananalo ng bridal gown.
Parang talagang pumunta ka na doon, umuwi ka ng may libreng gown. Kasi Sir Mikey Chan is one of the best designers here in the province of Pampanga, especially Central Luzon, kahit outside pa eh. Tapos, ma'am, ang tanong ko lang ngayon, syempre, saan itong venue ng kasalan this year? At bukas pa ba ang registration para sa lahat ng mga manonood natin?
Yeah, everyone can still pre-event register. Just go to facebook.com/kasal.com. Meron na po dong automatic link for you to be able to register. Even until the last day of the event, we accept all of them kasi we have easy access naman to our database. Just drop by between 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. next Saturday and Sunday, that's February 15 to 16 at the Activity Center of Ayala Marquee Mall. Doon na po kayo mag-spend ng Valentine date nyo. Kasi 14 is may pasok, hindi naman siya holiday.
Yes.
And doon, makakapag-date na kayo, baka pwede pa nating ma-push si Sir na to put the ring on it na. Kasi marami din tayong partner na jewelers in the area, no? So, baka doon na kayo magpa-engage, di ba?
Direction nyo na.
Diretso
Nandun ka
na.
na.
Total, mag-inquire naman Wala namang...
Pag-inquire, ay hindi, pagka-engage,
para may idea
inquire
na.
ka na.
Tama.
Kasi ato naman, pupunta naman tayo dun sa mga tips para dun sa mga nagdadalawang isip pa rin na mag-visit or pumunta dito sa kasalan. Kanina na pag-uusapan po namin behind the scenes yung mga tips para sa mga bride and groom. So ito, bibigyan namin kayo ng mga pahapya upang alam nyo na talagang kailangan yung pumunta dito sa kasalan na ito. Ano po ang isang tip? Sir Mikey muna. Sir Mikey, na isang tip na may bibigay nyo dito sa mga couple natin na engaged na and nagpe-prepare na for the wedding.
Ako, mabibigay ko na tip. Usually, when it comes to bridal gowns and suits, kung ano yung parang feel mong the best sa'yo, yun ang susundin mo. So parang, you always look for pegs, for inspirations of your design, para at least you know what to do on the day of na mag-uusap tayo and all. And at the same time, always parang follow what you love. Kasi minsan yung, pag tinatanong natin yung ibang tao, gumugulo yung isip ng bride. So ako usually, ano yung gusto mo, ito lang titignan mo. And then, focus ka lang sa sarili mo. Ang importante, ang iisipin mo, your bridal gown is the most beautiful dress that you will ever wear in your entire life.
Ito, curious lang ako. Kasi uso yung term na monster bride eh. Diba?
Yes.
Yung mga aligaga na hindi ma-finalize yung mga gusto nila. After ba nila pumunta sa kasalan, yung mga na-meet ba kayo na monster bride? And then after the kasalan, kumalma yung buhay nila. At naging masaya na lang ang kanilang road to the wedding.
Ako, I don't know if you can see in my post, I have parang fitting serye na nakakatawa. It's not the bride actually, it's the mothers.
Actually, kasi pag nagsuot yung bride, gusto ko, tapos bigla, ay parang magiging maguguluhan na eh.
Pero it's a joke na lang na ginagawa ko na parang it always have to, parang may magkocontrol sa situation eh. You have to give them assurance na ito yung path natin, ito yung design, I'll make sure na maganda ka, I'll make sure na tama lahat ito, ganyan. Pero brides usually are very, ang mga brides ngayon, wala na masyadong bridezilla. More or less, once they choose you, parang, ako kasi I believe in connection.
Yes.
So, pag wala tayong connection, hindi kita mabubook. So, pag hindi tayo nagka-connect, parang, maybe you should try another designer, ganyan. It's not parang tinatanggihan ko. It's just so happen na iniiwasan ko lang yung parang baka hindi kami mag-jive in the future. Pero mostly, nag-jive naman yung kasi you're not eyeing me because of me. You're eyeing me because you feel that we can have connection. So, importante yun. So, usually, sa brides, wala kang problema. Mothers!
Siguro po, ang masasabi ko, pag pumunta pa kayo sa kasalan, kayo po muna mag-fiancé pumunta. Huwag na muna magsama ng mother tsaka ng mga para mas
pero
ayos.
last year, meron daw mga parents kasi based abroad or may trabaho yung anak nila, sila ang nagbubook. Maghapon sila na nakaupo.
Maghapon sila
Proxy!
Yes, sila ang
Pero alam mo
nagbubook.
sa kanila, the good thing about the parents, they're very hands-on now.
Yeah.
They help the couple na parang, ito, magaling siya, ganyan. Pero ang natutunan ko talaga ngayon, dapat makuha mo muna loob ng parents bago ang couple.
Tama.
Kasi syempre sila din minsan may say din sila eh. May mga masunuring anak to mga to, pag sinabing hindi pwede, ayaw ko yan. Mag-iiba yung...
Especially as Kapampangans, we value the parents and family-oriented talaga. So,
And wedding
importante
naman
yun.
is about the union of two families
Yes.
also. So, dapat talagang respetuhin yan.
Ayan ma'am, ang tanong ko sa'yo, ano yung tip mo sa mga malapit na ikasal, nagpe-prepare ngayon, and hindi pa naka-finalize lahat. Kumbaga, 3 months, 4 months na lang, hindi pa sila okay.
Ako, ang number 1 tip ko, pumunta kayo sa kasalan.
Yun yung pinakamagandang tip ngayon.
Hindi, but, seriously, people might think na it's common sense, pero a lot don't realize na the first thing na you should look at is sino yung suppliers within your area. I know kasi yung iba, dahil meron na silang nakakaluwag sa buhay or maybe walang problema sa budget, they think that they should seek far and wide, no? Parang ano yan yung sa kanta,
Yeah.
the search is over, di
Yeah,
ba?
the
Kasi
search is
nandito
over.
lang sa paligid yung mga suppliers na pwedeng makatrabaho nyo, makakonect ninyo for that dream
Yeah.
wedding. Now, the reason why we exist, no, the kasalan, is to help you see na yung kapitbahay ko pala magaling. Yun palang nasa kabilang kanto, napakagandang venue na sometimes we look at places somewhere else, meron pala ang Pampanga,
Malapit.
meron pala ang Tarlac, meron pala ang Bulacan. No? So, it's not just about helping the area, it's really about making them see them in a different perspective. Plus, mas makakamura po kayo because wala pong out-of-town fee.
Yeah.
Pangalawa po, you lessen the risk of scam. Kasi po, kung
Correct.
kapitbahay nyo yan, mas madali nyo pong mache-check.
If
Kung-
legit.
Maybe not legit, but more of, matagal na ba niyang ginagawa ito? And kung nandun yung pamilya niya, siguro naman hindi niya i-risk yung reputation niya just for a single wedding na tatakbuhan niya.
Yes.
Pangatlo po yung traffic. No? Sometimes, kahit gaano kagaling ang supplier, kung naka-encounter ng aksidente sa NLEX, 1 hour before your wedding, talagang ninervyusin ka pag wala pa yung makeup artist mo, di ba? So, it's really, really important na maging practical tayo pagdating sa ganung bagay. Second is, wag niyo pong isipin na by going through bridal fairs or by talking with very good suppliers na mas mapapamahal kayo. Because ang pinakamahal po ay yung kasal na palpak or hindi nangyari.
At saka, makakamura sila kasi we give
May
discounts
promo.
Yes.
and promos during
Yes.
bridal fairs. So, like, for example, may 10,000 less,
Yes.
ganyan. So, mas makakamura sila.
10,000, guys.
Yeah, we'll be posting pala within the weekend lahat ng mga promos na gusto nang ipa-early announcement
Yes.
no, ng ating mga partner suppliers. But more than that, marami po kasi kaming raffle prizes. So yung raffle prizes namin can easily get you free prenup shoot
Yeah.
or free styling, no?
Free.
Or free bridal gown. And then, may nag-pledge po sa amin ngayon, all the way from, I think, Pride of Tarlac. They're going to raffle off a glamping stay in one of their properties na parang spa type in Japan.
Okay. Ayan, kasi nakikita ko din yung mga post sa Facebook yung recently lang, yung kinasal sila tapos walang handa. Hindi dumating yung supplier. So, para maiwasan itong mga ganitong events at mamaya yung phone ko, magre-register ako. Ano pang hinihintay nyo? Celebrate love with #Kasalan2025 Central Luzon Wedding Tourism Expo on February 15 to 16 sa Ayala Marquee Mall. Thank you for joining us and we hope you enjoy discovering the vibrant festivals and significant happenings from around the country. I am JM De Jesus and this is Spotlight.